weeks ago, the World Liberation Army launched a cyber attack on several Asian networks.
Do you think I've been living under a rock? Every world leader's here for the emergency summit on cybersecurity. But what does this have to do with the terrorist attack on Venice last month?
The World Liberation Army's attack on Venice was a cover-up, Rue. You gotta believe me.
Your signature is right here, Phoenix. Infiltration of Venice commenced at 1300 hours.
The mission report from Venice is fake. That's what I'm telling you. The whole goddamn thing was a lie. Lights up.
Strike 2 to Monarch. We're in. Activate tracking. Roger that, Strike 2. Tracking activated. Good luck out there. Over. Solid copy. Strike 2 out. Through here. Watch the edge. Careful.
Contact. Take him out. On your go. On me. Move into cover. Take him out!
Strike 2 to Monarch. Target eliminated. Confirm extraction location. Over.
Hold up. Come on.
Let's go.
Thanks. Contact!
Strike 2, this is Monarch. Advance to extraction point B. Over.
You heard him. Come on. Get in the goddamn boat! Let's get out of here.
We've got company!
Keep on firing!
Shit! Chopper!
More incoming! Keep them off us! Hang on!
Fuck!
Keep on firing, goddammit!
I think we're in the clear! Oh shit! Hit it!
Strike 2, backup is on the way. Hold tight. Over.
Hold tight! I need immediate backup!
They're all over us!
Strike 2 to Monarch. We need backup now!
They're falling back! We're in the clear! Listen to me, Rue. Venice did not go down like that. Gilman is... They're trying to erase their involvement.
What involvement? What are you talking about?
They planned it all. I've dug around. I've connected the dots. I can see it now. Gilman was behind the whole thing.
Ah, so the world's biggest private security contractor is, what? A front for the World Liberation Army. That is what you're telling me. We have been working for terrorists.
I need your help, Rue. You're the only one I can trust. They know I've been asking questions.
And the mission report, why did you sign it?
They made me when I got back to Tokyo. Lily. My daughter. They threatened to hurt her.
Have you spoken to anyone else about this bullshit? Because I think you'll need to... Wait, what did... Fuck! Get down! Phoenix!
What the?
Over here! Quick! Follow me! Hurry! This way!
What the hell is happening?
My name is Nico. Ruth sends me. Right now, we need to get out of here. Wait here!
You okay?
I'm fine! Run! Hide! Phoenix! This way!
Stay back! I think that's the last of them.
Here. Ruth told me to give this to you, so she can contact you.
Thanks.
Phoenix, do you copy? What is your status?
Rue, we're trying to get out. I don't know. I don't know what the fuck is happening.
There's no time to explain.